long time. For this purpose, we need oil, glass, water, food colors. This experiment is called oil and water experiment. So guys, we will see when we mix oil and water what will happen. So let's start. First we are going to add oil. No, don't mix it. You don't have to mix it. Oh, mix it. Now we are going to add food color. Amnah, you wanna add green and the yellow. 5 drops, okay? Just add it, Amnah. Guys, look, food color doesn't mix easily in oil. Hey, okay, you can do it. I left it for me. Not fair. Do it, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Guys, I think food color will easily mix with water. It will be rainbow. Yeah, I think so. I think it will be like a unicorn. No, it's not gonna be like a unicorn. I'm gonna do it faster. And but it's like rainbow. You are right, Amnah. Hey, there. Come on, guys. Can you see the droplets? It's like they're it's like a rainbow rain. They will show the experiment. No. Wow, guys. See how cool is it? It's looking so beautiful. Like a unicorn, like a rainbow. Yeah. But guys, look guys, oil stay on the top. Do you know why it stay on the top? Because oil is lighter than water. It's so beautiful, Amnah. See, I can still see it. The first we're turning black. You can see so much of them. From this side, come here. So beautiful. Oh, ups and then like bubbles. Guys,